we're going to look at C'era un ragazzo che come me amava i Beatles e i Rolling Stone, a song by Gianni Morandi. Gianni Morandi started his career in the 1960s and he is still active today. He's one of the most influential Italian pop singers, and he also started in many movies when he was young, sort of these teenage movies where he would also sing. This song in particular was released in 1966, in the middle of the Vietnam War. Before this song, actually his repertoire was mainly traditional song and long song, so this was a little bit of a departure, and he kind of had to go a little bit against his own label to be able to sing this. C'era un ragazzo che come me amava i Beatles e i Rolling Stone, girava il mondo, veniva dagli Stati Uniti d'America. C'era un ragazzo che come me, there once was a boy that like me, amava i Beatles e i Rolling Stone, loved the Beatles and the Rolling Stone. Girava il mondo, he toured the world, veniva dagli Stati Uniti d'America. He came from the United States of America. Non era bello ma accanto a sé aveva 1000 donne se cantava Help, The Ticket to Ride, oh yeah, DJs, oh yesterday. Non era bello, he wasn't handsome, ma accanto a sé, but around him, aveva 1000 donne, he had 1,000 women, se cantava Help, if he sang Help, Ticket to Ride, or Ready Jane, or Yesterday. So he wasn't handsome, but when he would sing the Beatles, a lot of women around him. Cantava viva la libertà, ma ricevette una lettera, la sua chitarra mi regalò, fu richiamato in America. Cantava Viva la Libertà, he would sing Viva la Libertà, which I think it's a song from Bruno Rausi. Ma ricevette una lettera, but he received a letter. La sua chitarra mi regalò, he gave me his guitar as a gift. Fu richiamato in America, he was recalled in America. Stop coi Rolling Stone, stop coi Beatles, stop. Gli han detto vai nel Vietnam e spara ai Viet Cong. Stop coi Rolling Stone, stop with the Rolling Stone, stop coi Beatles, stop with the Beatles, stop. Gli han detto vai nel Vietnam, they told me go in Vietnam e spara ai Viet Cong and shoot the Viet Cong. And this ta-ta-ta-ta-rata means to be the sound of a machine gun. C'era un ragazzo che come me amava i Beatles e i Rolling Stone, girava il mondo ma poi finì a far la guerra nel Vietnam. C'era un ragazzo che come me amava i Beatles e i Rolling Stone. There was once a boy like me who liked Beatles and Rolling Stone. Girava il mondo, he toured the world, ma poi finì, but then he ended up a far la guerra nel Vietnam, fighting the war in Vietnam. Capelli lunghi non porta più, non suona la chitarra, ma uno strumento che sempre dà la stessa nota. Capelli lunghi non porta più, he doesn't have long hair anymore. Non suona la chitarra, he doesn't play the guitar, ma uno strumento, but an instrument, che sempre dà la stessa nota, that always gives the same note, ratatata. Non ha più amici, non ha più fans, vede la gente cadere giù, nel suo paese non tornerà, adesso è morto nel Vietnam. Non ha più amici, he has no more friends, non ha più fan, he doesn't have fans anymore. Vede la gente cadere giù, he sees people falling down. Nel suo paese non tornerà, he will not go back to his country, adesso è morto nel Vietnam. Now he's dead in Vietnam. Stop coi Rolling Stone, stop coi Beatles, stop nel petto with the Beatles, stop with the Rolling Stone, nel petto un po' cuore più non ha, in his chest he no longer has a heart, but due medaglie o tre, but 2 medals for 3. And Ratatata, the Sound of Machine Gun. The song unfortunately didn't do very well commercially. Another more traditional love song that he released the same year actually fared a lot better. He also got a little bit into trouble because when he would try to perform it in public TV, they always pressured him to change a little bit the lyrics. The main problem is that this was seen as a critic to the US, which is an ally of Italy, and there was also a parliamentary investigation about it, so, you know, different times. Another thing interesting about the song is that it was picked up by John Bites, the singer and activist, the US singer and activist, and we have a link here in the description if you want to see her performing this very song. So, thank you for joining me again. If you don't agree with my interpretation of the song, please leave some comments down. If you want me to look at another song, also write it down. And as usual, like and subscribe. Alla prossima!